How to use onion spiritually for cleansing and protection. Onions, commonly known for their culinary uses, also possess significant spiritual properties in many cultures. Onions have been used for centuries in spiritual rituals for their ability to absorb negative energy and provide protection. 1. Onion for energy cleansing. Onions are believed to absorb negativity from people and the environment. Here's how to use them for cleansing. Placing onions in rooms. Place a peeled onion in the corners of your home or under your bed to absorb negative energy. This is often done overnight. In the morning, dispose of the onion as it has absorbed the bad energy. Onion bath. To cleanse your aura and rid yourself of negative attachments, you can take an onion bath. Slice a fresh onion and add it to a tub of warm water. Bathe in the water while meditating on releasing negativity and receiving positivity. 2. Onion for spiritual protection. Onions are also used in protection rituals to ward off negative entities or harmful energies. Hanging onions at doorways. To protect your home, hang an onion at the entrance of your home. This is said to block any negative energy or entities from entering your space. Onion charm. Carry a small piece of onion wrapped in cloth or a pouch with you to create a protective barrier against negativity. Some traditions believe that onions, when carried on the person, shield the aura from psychic attacks or envy. 3. Onion for banishing spells. Onions are often used in banishing rituals to remove curses or toxic influences. Onion with salt. Write down the name of someone or something you wish to banish on a piece of paper. Place the paper inside a split onion, add salt, and bury it far from your home. As the onion decays, it is believed that the negative influence will wither away. 4. Onion for spiritual communication. Some people use onions to enhance spiritual communication. Onion and candle ritual. Cut an onion in half and place it on your altar beside a white candle. Light the candle while focusing on receiving guidance from your ancestors or spiritual guides. Onions are said to open spiritual channels and enhance clarity. Conclusion. Onions are powerful tools for spiritual cleansing, protection, banishing, and communication. Whether you're seeking to clear your energy, protect your home, or connect with the spiritual realm, the humble onion can play a key role in your spiritual practices.